Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching TNV Academy, where we simplify ISO standards for labs and professionals. In today's video, we'll break down Clause 7 of ISO 15189, process requirements, which covers the entire medical laboratory workflow, from sample collection all the way to reporting results. This clause is the heart of ISO 15189. So let's dive in. Pre-examination process, sample collection and handling. First, let's look at the pre-examination phase, which includes everything before testing. It starts with receiving the test request. This must be clear, complete, and authorized. Next comes sample collection. It must be done by trained personnel using proper containers, labels, and techniques. Patient preparation instructions, like fasting, should be communicated clearly. Every sample must be uniquely identified and traceable. Examination process, testing and analysis. Now we move on to the examination phase or the actual testing. This is where lab staff perform the test using validated methods and qualified equipment. All testing procedures must be documented and followed consistently. Internal quality control, that is IQC, must be in place to monitor ongoing accuracy. Only trained and authorized staff should perform and validate results. Post-examination process, results and reporting. Finally, let's talk about the post-examination phase, which includes validation and reporting of results. After testing is complete, results must be verified and reviewed by authorized personnel, reported clearly, accurately, and in a timely manner. The report should include patient identification, reference ranges, units, and comments if required. Quality and continuous improvement. Throughout the process, remember ISO 15189 expects quality at every step. Proper documentation, error tracking and corrective actions, traceability of samples and results, and continuous review of the entire lab process. So that was a complete overview of Clause 7, process requirements under ISO 15189. From sample collection to testing to reporting results, every step matters when it comes to quality and accuracy in medical laboratories. If this video helped you understand Clause 7, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.